Hello, everyone. Welcome to the class. Yeah, still there is no people in my background. Okay, so
Hello,
here
Miss
we go.
Hazel. Good evening.
Hi, good evening to Isabel and others. Welcome to the class, guys. Sorry, I'm late for
How
three
are
minutes.
you today?
Yes, I'm doing very well today.
So
Hello.
cute,
That,
so cute.
that's
Halo
so cute.
Stop.
sis, again.
Hai guys, welcome back. Ini ada Bro Dedet nih yang on cam. Mantap, Bro.
Wow, so
Besok-besok
cute.
temenin aku ya.
Iya.
Oksigen.
Soalnya
Pada
ntar mau foto,
merek-merek
Miss.
lagi. Oh, oke.
Iya.
Oh iya, foto lagi ya. Iya
Oke,
lagi.
nanti nanti aku fotonya tempelin foto lama aja ya. Kalian aja yang on cam, oke?
Iya, lagi-lagi Miss nggak bisa.
Iya, I don't know what happened with my webcam, but I'll try for maybe like
I
Monday.
think
Okay,
I
I will buy the new one.
I, I think you use
But
AI maybe so.
no, how come? I'm the one that don't use
Avatar.
AI. Yeah, just only the avatar. Tapi orangnya asli kok ya. Okay. So
I think
guys,
yeah,
yeah.
I think that's cute maybe.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Rohi. Okay. By the way, everyone, so for today's class, we just want to start the new lesson. Kita ini ya, coba pelajari tentang yang baru. Hari ini tentang holiday and vacation. Ya kan? Oke, ada yang udah baca, by the way? Ada yang udah lihat-lihat dikit-dikit modulnya ataupun kayak intip-intip dikit lah judulnya? Is there
Sorry
anyone?
sis, where's the
Yeah,
model?
already sent in the group.
Can I
Haven't you?
pin? Can I pin repeat again? I don't see
Yes,
that.
yes. I will send it. Okay.
Sorry
Wait a
sis.
second. All right. Wait a second. Yeah. Okay. Wait. I'll resend the module to you guys. Tunggu ya. Sebentar, sebentar, sebentar. Oke. Hmm. Oke, aku udah kirim ulang. Oke, boleh lihat ya.
Alright
Let's go.
miss, thanks a lot, appreciate.
Yes, anytime, bro. Okay, so for today's class, we just wants to go to talk about the topic for today. We just wants to go for this topic. It's about holiday and vacation. But before we start the topic for today, yesterday tentang apa ya? Masih ingat nggak?
Natural
Natural
disaster.
Natural
disaster.
Yeah,
resistance.
it's about
Disaster.
natural disaster. Okay. So, how do we handle the flood, guys? Gimana
Banjir.
sih how do we the flood happen? Gimana kita untuk menghindari terjadinya banjir? Gimana? How? How, guys? Do you
Don't
know?
throw
Don't
rubbish.
don't
Nebang
Throw
pohon.
rubbish.
throw the rubbish everywhere. Okay, just throw in the trash bin. And then what else? Apalagi penebangan hutan. Apa tuh?
Stop deforestation.
Yeah, deforestation. Okay, illegal logging. And then what else? Apalagi? What else? Apalagi kira-kira yang bisa kita lakukan untuk menghindari?
Don't forget to check information of a government official.
Yes, that's one of the things. Yeah, that's really important. Walaupun kadang-kadang kayak telat gitu ya, but yeah, we have to check it ya, secara berkala. Okay,
Yes,
but for today, thank you, bro. For today, we just want to go about holiday and vacation. By the way, all of you guys, do you like to go to holiday or going to
Yes,
somewhere for
Of
I
study?
course.
Of
Yes.
course.
Yes.
I like holiday very much.
Yes.
I love
But
this holiday, but how can I go to holiday? My work is
okay.
a student, bro.
Okay, so it means like you have to had like a long day off to get away from your work, right?
Yeah.
But it's something that maybe like difficult for some people because they have their own job, kayak harus full banget gitu kan, ada yang nggak bisa libur or something like that. They just like can have a day off maybe like annually for about 10 until 12 days, or even like it's only on Idul Fitr, and also something gitu kayak cuma 1 minggu doang. So it's just like a catch up, just like a short catch up atau short getaway going to the near places, kayak yang paling terdekat aja dulu. For example, like Jakarta going to Puncak, right? Going to Bogor or even Bandung. That's the nearest place for having holiday in Jakarta. Okay, so what about this one, guys? What about this? Okay, we will have a video about this, but we don't even watch all of them. Kita nggak akan nonton semuanya ya, beberapa aja. Tunggu, wait. Just going on this one. Oke, kita nonton dulu ya, sebentar.
Be notified about our latest videos. For this list, we're looking at a variety of cool reasons you should check out this fascinating Java, which is itself the most populous island in the world. Yogyakarta has been growing in popularity in recent years. A calmer, more culturally focused version of the country's capital, Jakarta, which is also on Java, it's an ideal destination for learning more about Indonesia. Paying
Yes.
homage to both the Hindu
Yes, bro.
Nge-play, Miss.
I think nggak kelihatan semua sis. Soalnya di sampingnya itu ada ini.
Oke, sekarang. Sorry, aku belum buat phone. Oke.
Oh, udah ada. Oke, udah ada.
Hindu and
Okay.
Buddhist traditions, Yogyakarta is surrounded by important religious sites. You can also visit vast paddy fields and see how rice, the country's staple food, has been grown for centuries. Or stop at Kalibiru National Park to appreciate the natural beauty of the area. Back in the city itself, you'll be treated to a rich artistic environment with lots of concerts and performances. Mount Bromo, the crowning glory of the Tenggara Massif, a large volcanic region with many active volcanoes. Mount Bromo is a popular hiking spot. The climb to the peak isn't the hardest trek out there and can be completed in around 2 hours, but when you reach the top, you'll nonetheless be treated to views of the stunning volcanic vista. At only 7,600 feet, it's by no means the tallest peak around, but is Indonesia's most popular mountain by quite a substantial margin. You could spend a whole week just exploring Java's volcanic east side, though it is worth remembering the area can be unstable and eruptions are common. Diving. Indonesia is one of the countries whose waters make up part of the Coral Triangle, an enormous coral reef in Southeast Asia that's home to 2,000 different species of fish and 6 different species of
Oke, kita skip aja ya. Tunggu ya, sebentar. Kita lihat nama-nama tempatnya aja. It's about Komodo Island.
Animal Kingdom's largest lizards are endemic to Indonesia. And if you're interested in seeing them, a visit to their namesake island, Komodo, is well worth the trip. While you certainly shouldn't try to pet the dragons, there are lots of places where you can see them both in the wild and in captivity. Be warned though, these lizards are large meat eaters with a venomous bite. Temples. Indonesia is home to the largest Buddhist temple in the entire world, Borobudur, which you can find just outside of Yogyakarta. Located in Java, this stunning monument dates back to the
Okay, wait a second, guys.
Is it lagging, sis? Sorry.
Yes, yes.
Even if you aren't religious,
Alright.
the architecture is stunning and has been known to leave many visitors speechless. In the same trip, you can also visit Prambanan, an enormous Hindu temple built over 1,000 years ago and dedicated to Sumatra. Whereas some parts of Indonesia have become saturated with tourism, much of Sumatra is still wild and untouched. Its dense jungles aren't always accommodating to tourists, but the difficult conditions are worth it for the chance to see some of the world's most endangered animals, including the incredibly rare Sumatran tiger. You might also run into clouded leopards, orangutans, rhinos, and monkeys. but the scenery alone makes Sumatra a fantastic destination. It's home to Indonesia's spots. Jakarta. The Indonesian capital, Jakarta is a bustling metropolis nestled amidst the jungle. With an enormous population of 10 million people, the city is composed of brightly lit busy streets and enormous skyscrapers. With its prevalent #1 destination for backpackers, Bali has so much to offer that one could stay there for weeks, never even venturing into the rest of the country. Though we recommend a more well-rounded trip, we do get the appeal. Popular simultaneously for its exciting ceremonies, culture and traditional arts, and for wild parties and hedonism, Bali has everything you need for a memorable vacation. With white
Okay, so thank you guys. Nah, so we just want to talk about those places that have already mentioned. Ada Jogja, Bromo, and also Sumatra, Bali, Komodo Island, and others. Okay. So, by the way, have you ever traveled to those places before? Ada yang udah pernah jalan-jalan ke tempat-tempat yang sudah disebutkan tadi sebelumnya? Or
Bali.
even
Here.
living
Yes,
there?
Yes.
Atau bahkan
Go to
tinggal di
Bali.
situ?
I
Okay,
have
going to
Bali.
Bali. Bali is one of the famous place in Indonesia ya. Even sometimes like foreigner don't know Indonesia but know Bali. Ya, sometimes. Kayak
Bangka
orang-orang
Belitung, Miss.
iya, Bangka Belitung is one of the best places for beach, right?
Yes.
That's true.
That's really good for the beach, right? There are kayak yang apa tuh ya? Namanya apa ya sis ya? Kalau misalnya di Bangka Belitung tuh ada yang pantai yang dengan batu-batu besar itu. What kind of the name of the places? I don't know, but that's really
Iya,
beautiful.
Pantai Batu Ketak, Miss.
Pantai Batu Kata. Kata
Ketak.
atau ketak?
Ketak.
Oke,
Itu bahasa
alright.
Bangkanya Ketak. Itu artinya kayak pantainya itu isinya batu.
Oh, I see. Iya sih, kayaknya banyak banget ya, besar-besar juga.
Iya.
But that's so beautiful, sangat cantik, sangat indah.
Iya,
And
bener, Miss.
kayak itu kayaknya kalau misalnya orang ke Bangka Belitung tuh gara-gara itu ya enggak sih? Karena bagus banget memang pantainya.
Iya.
That's really good. Dan Bali I think ya, menurutku ya. Tapi ada yang suka Bali more because Bali has many culture, traditional culture, and also a lot of like what is it, party or something like that. Yeah.
Local
So that's
resistance,
why,
Miss. Warlock.
yeah,
We're friendly.
benar.
We're unwelcoming.
Bangka
Iya.
Belitung is location for movie Laskar Pelangi, Miss.
Oh
Nah,
ya.
Laskar Pelangi ya, that's really popular about the village ya, kayak sekolahnya itu sangat-sangat identik. Oh my God. Okay, so right now we just wants to go. Siapa yang mau ngomong? By the way, it's about travel around that places before. Ada yang mau sharing about those places? For example, ada yang kemarin ya living in Bali. Siapa yang tinggal di Bali kemarin? Bro Dedet ya?
Iya,
Who is
Miss.
living in Bali? Okay, bro. Are you the local people
No,
or just like
actually,
work
I
there?
just almost 1 year in Bali.
Okay. What do you think about Bali as a
Bali
local?
is,
Yeah, as a person who
I
lives
think
there.
like normally country
City.
because
City.
yeah, city
Mhm.
because Bali just good for foreigner, not for
Okay.
the local.
Oh, why did you say that?
Ooh.
That's really
Bro,
vital, yeah,
bro,
about the
bro,
case local
bro,
versus
listen, bro,
foreigner.
Didit. Listen, bro, Didit. Don't be
Yeah.
just your village, your city.
Okay,
Because
go on.
it's kayak orang luar negeri. This is like people of the US. It's a love his country, not be done justice. If you wanna visit on the country like a village 1 year, 2 years, don't be justice. Oke, be apa ya, kayak lu terus banggain tempat tinggal lu. You do it, dude.
Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Menjunjung.
okay, bro.
Okay. But yeah, based on you, the reality like that.
Karena kita sendiri, jujur aku banyak nemuin banget orang-orang kita yang bahkan tidak suka dengan negara kita. I mean like, I know this, you
Yeah,
have
of
a
course.
future is like a keluar negeri, get out and for your country.
Mm-mm.
But please, apapun itu harus
Junjung lah
hargain,
ya.
harus
Yes,
hargain.
exactly.
Karena
Appreciate with that.
Iya,
kita
Bu.
orang luar negeri pun mereka lahir di negara mereka sendiri dan mereka visit kemanapun mereka tetap nyanjung negara mereka, sekalipun ada boroknya, sekalipun ada
Yeah.
gelapnya gitu.
We
Cintain.
have just like appreciate with that, right? Okay. All right. Thank you, Bro Akbar. Okay, go on, Bro Dedet.
Halo, Miss. Aku dari Bali, Miss.
Yes.
Okay.
Nah itu.
All right. Okay, the local and also ini ya.
Yeah, I'm just
Coba deh,
visitor.
just like the visitor and the local. Coba kita iniin deh. Yuk, let's go. What do you think, Sis Dayu? What's your opinion about Bro Dedet saying before?
Yes.
Is that true or not? The reality like that?
Dia bilang apa sih? Nggak ngerti.
Oke, coba repeat Bro Dedet.
Dia gini
Maybe
kayaknya
just like
tidak suka gitu.
No, bukan nggak suka.
Repeat.
Maksudnya tuh
Gimana?
lebih kayak
It's not just
oke.
like dislike this, ma'am. But you know what? He did only
Oke.
visit 1 year, and then who don't know his of Bali. That's the point. I mean, like on my mind, but
Okay.
I don't know his
Okay,
Bro Dedet.
Bro Dedet, before, where do you live in Bali?
I
Maksudnya,
live
Yeah,
in
the
before that.
place.
Yeah,
Badung,
which place?
Mengwi.
Badung.
Oh, Mengwi. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I know Mengwi because I school maksudnya senior high
Yeah,
school.
yeah.
Senior high
I
school
was
at
yeah.
Mengwi Tani,
Okay.
Badung.
Okay.
3 years there. At Mengwi Tani, mana ya kotanya? Ya di jalan raya tempatnya.
Mm-mm.
Gitu. Ya, the people is very kind.
Mm-mm.
Di sana dekatnya di sana Tabanan itu daerah Tanah Lot. Ya, dulu saya kan sekolah di sana jurusan
Mm-mm.
pariwisata tuh ya
Mm-mm.
selama 3 tahun. And then adalah bule diam di sana. Maksudnya
Living there. Yeah, the foreigner
bukan
lives
diam,
there.
berhenti di
Oh,
depan
okay. Stop.
kos, ya di depan kos.
Okay.
Dia bertanya, kalau dia ngomong bahasa Inggris, tapi kan aku belum ngerti juga, baru kelas 1 SMA. Ke mana jalan ke Tanah Lot? Dia bilangnya kayak gini, oh, from here you must straight away and turn left, and then you must ask any people again, like
Okay.
that. Gitu sih.
Yang penting ngerti gitu ya dia.
Oh iya, yang
penting
penting dia
kedepannya.
ngerti ya. And then aku kan juga pernah 4 month I training at Nusa Dua. Untuk training sekolah ya. Di sana di Nusa Dua di Bungalo ya. Itu udah banyak sekali tamu-tamu gitu. Saya kalau training kan cuma sebentar-sebentar aja dengan tamu. Ya itu udah kan ada yang pesan makanan kayak gitu. Pesan makanannya ada gini, ingetnya cuma gini aja. Dia mau pesan es krim. What kind
Ujung-ujungnya
of
ya.
what kind of ice cream do you like, sir? Gitu aja.
I see. You just like service them right well.
Iya.
Okay. All right. Okay, guys. So, okay, we just what is it like? Just go for this first, okay? Thank you, Sis Dayu and Bro Dedet. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Next, what about this one, guys? There will be like several vocabularies that we want to know. Okay. The first one is about tourist attraction. Okay.
Okay, Pak.
Okay, wait a second. Okay, the first one is about tourist attraction. Okay, tempat wisata atau bisa disebut dengan tourism places. Okay, sama tempat wisata. The second one travel around, itu jalan-jalan keliling. Okay, And then back and forth itu artinya pulang pergi atau commute, biasanya kita bilangnya commute ya, PP, pulang pergi, back and forth. And then ada staycation, yang menginap di hotel, staycation, terus lagi ada explore, mengeksplorasi, hand gift itu ada artinya oleh-oleh, hand gift. Terus lagi ada nature, alam, tempat alam. The first one is waterfall, air terjun. Ada beach, pantai. Ada mountain, gunung. Terus ada camping, camping seperti biasa. Suitcase itu adalah koper. Terus destination itu adalah tujuan. Zoo adalah kebun binatang. Sunbath itu adalah berjemur. Sunbath, oke, sunbath. And then ada breathtaking view. View yang sangat indah atau pemandangan indah. Breathtaking view. And the last one is guide. Pemandu, oke, orang yang memandu untuk ke sebuah tempat wisata. Oke, untuk vocab ada yang mau ditanyakan dulu? Is there any question for the vocabulary? Is there any or not? Kok pada diem?
Enough, enough sis.
Enough,
No.
right? Okay. No, nggak tahu apa no nggak ada nanya nih.
Next, please,
know,
next.
I know.
Okay.
Sorry,
Okay.
sis.
No.
I have a
Alright.
question.
Yes, bro. What is that?
What is a breathtaking view?
Breathtaking view, pemandangan yang indah. It's like a
Oh.
beautiful view.
And
Breathtaking
then
view.
sunbath?
Berjemur.
Alright. Thank you.
Yes, berjemur. Anytime, bro. Let's go. Okay. What is it? Okay. What about this one? We just want to go for this one first. Okay. Di main room kita bahas ini dulu. Okay. The first one is about, do you like traveling? Okay. But I just want to go for the new topic. It's about this one. Which one do you prefer, everyone? Going to the mountain or going to the beach? Right. Anyone want to answer? Okay, raise hand. Coba ayo, biar kita nggak nyampur-nyampur semuanya berlaga. Okay.
Sis,
Going.
sorry.
Okay, sis Nadia.
For screen, please.
Okay. Selalu lupa ya. Okay. All right. So, which one do you prefer, everyone? Sis Nadira, go first.
I think the beach, miss, because
Okay.
if I go to mountain, it's very dangerous, miss.
Okay. Right.
Because we walk to ke atas itu
Okay. We just like
sangat-sangat
hike the
we walk
mountain.
hike. Kita
We
naik ke atas
hike
itu.
the mountain. We hike
Oh.
the mountain. Kita
Uh,
mendaki
if-
gunung.
If we hike the mountain, I think it's more dangerous. Itu lebih berbahaya daripada if we go to the beach. So,
Okay.
I prefer to go to the beach, miss.
Okay. All right. Because when you just want to go to the mountain, it's kind of dangerous than
Yes,
going to the
yes.
beach. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Aku takut jatuh.
Okay. Takut jatuh gitu. Pelan-pelan gitu.
Nggak bisa
Okay.
di kamus hidup aku tuh nggak ada kepikiran untuk naik gunung, malas.
Oh, okay.
Mending I prefer to explore another country.
Okay.
Iya, miss,
Just
aku
like
lebih prefer ke
maybe city breaks ya, lebih ke kayak suka ke kota-kota.
yes, betul. Aku
Ah.
lebih mengeksplor pemandangan. Kalau untuk naik gunung nggak, no. Takut, miss,
Okay.
karena
There
kita
are a
nggak
lot
tahu
of
kan.
dangerous things. Yeah.
Kita nggak tahu bahayanya apa. We don't know any
The danger.
dangerous
Yeah. Mm-mm.
like ghost or the
Okay.
fall. Kita tahu loh,
Or
miss.
even the
We don't know.
wild animals ya, kayak hewan liar gitu ya.
Iya,
Ada
patut, miss. Oh
harimau
my God.
gitu. Oh, patut.
Aku lebih takut Aku takut pacet sih, Miss. Kok harimau kan masih nampak kan, Miss.
Kalau pacet nggak nampak gitu.
Oh iya takut, takut sama. Aku paling nggak suka, I don't like to the lumpur.
Oh,
Lum
moody, right?
ya,
Moody,
apa tuh lumpur,
mud,
Miss?
mud. Oh ya, mud. Berlumpur,
Ah iya, aku takut
muddy,
terpleset.
berlumpur.
So I
Oke, berarti ya menjauhi tempat-tempat yang alam-alam berarti.
yes, walaupun
Ya,
although aku ada kepikiran juga mau, tapi 1% aja sih.
iya. Berarti lebih enak kayak ke
Maupun
kota-kota aja ya, like shopping,
yes,
just going to
lebih
the monument or something, ya, the landmark.
yes, betul, right, Miss.
Oke, thank you Sis Nadira. Bro bagus. Ayo, go on.
Yeah,
Okay, go on. Which one do you prefer, going to the mountain or the beach?
yeah, I think I have a different opinion with this Nadira because I like a mountain. Yeah, by the way, hiking is one of my hobbies.
Hobby? Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I like a mountain because when I hiking a mountain with my friends, we can share anything in the journey. And when I build the tent,
Mm-hmm.
uh, we can chit chat and
Yes.
doing without phone, without because on the top of a
Yes, there is
mountain
no
there's
signal.
no signal. Yeah, I love that.
So that's really memorable ya, because we don't have any disturbing things ya. Nggak ada yang kayak ganggu-ganggu, any
Yeah,
distraction from the notification of our phone. We just like
yeah,
enjoy the real time. That's
yeah,
really mindfulness ya, sangat-sangat mindfulness sih kalau naik gunung itu. We just like
yeah,
enjoy and also relax about the view. Even like some of the people will say the same as this Nadira, there are a lot of things that we don't know in the mountain, like the wild animals or even the ghosts or something like that. Yeah, there's some people always talk about that. Yeah, when someone likes to go to the mountain. Okay, thank you, Bro Bagus.
okay.
Okay, Sis Nita, how about you?
Yeah, I rather to choose go to mountain hiking or trekking rather than go to the beach. Because in a mountain we can have cool apa atmosfer yang cool kayak gitu,
Oh
cold.
yeah, it's kind of cold. Yeah,
Yeah,
cold
rather than
weather.
in beach, hot
Mm-mm,
and very
mm-mm,
sunny.
mm-mm.
It's makes me feel more calming rather than in beach.
All right, I agree with that
Mm.
kind of things. Even when we go to the beach, we need more effort, yeah,
Yeah,
than going to the mountain.
yeah, I
And
know.
then going to the beach, sorry.
Yes,
Because
yeah, I know.
when we just going to the beach, maybe we don't need to hike or something. Yeah, it's depend on the beach sih, tergantung ya pantai apa. But mostly, for going to the beach, we just need to go to directly to the place with our transportation.
Less
But
effort.
yes, exactly. But when we go to the mountain, maybe there's like some mountain that we need to go by jeep or something. Mungkin ada ya beberapa yang pakai jeep langsung. But yeah, mostly just hiking by our foot, right?
Yes.
Exactly. Okay, thank you,
Tiring
sis.
but fun.
Yes, exactly. Jadi kayak semua terbayarkan ya after looking at the
Yes.
breathtaking view.
Yes. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
don't try to hiking a mountain because it was empty.
It was?
Tired.
Oh yeah,
Tiring.
that's so tiring. And you will feel tired after that. But yeah, some of the people will do it again, yeah, even it's tired.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you guys, Bro Jeffrey. What about you, Tuh udah anak mountain banget nih.
Yeah. The
Good
picture.
evening, sis.
Belum dijawab udah tahu duluan ya. Evening, bro.
Iya gitu.
Yeah, seems like my profile picture, I prefer mountain, sis.
Okay, why do you prefer going to the mountain, bro?
Yeah, because I like adventure and getting to know nature directly. And also I like that when climbing mountains, no one use cell phones.
Yes, yeah, exactly.
Nah,
So you can just like
because
chit chat.
iya, ngomong langsung lah ngobrol gitu selama perjalanan.
Ya, basa-basi, ya.
Yeah,
Like chit chat
no
each
one
other.
need to phones. Because we talk more back to each other lah. And also our mountain also Indonesia mountain above are very beautiful. Bagus-bagus.
Yes.
Gunung Indonesia itu pemandangannya bagus-bagus.
By the way, what mountain is that in your profile picture?
Sindoro, sis.
Oh, I see, Sindoro.
Nice, bro.
Okay, that's really nice, the picture, I think. The mountain
that's-
too, right? It looks so good with the cloud behind that, and also there is a mountain again behind your behind you. Is that Sindoro atau apa yang di sebelahnya itu apa yang di belakangnya?
Bro,
Must be
Yang kalau
Sumbing,
yang
kah?
di sebelahnya itu Sumbing, sis. Jadi
Sumbing,
dia
ya.
berdampingan. Ya.
I see.
Gunung
By the way,
Sumbing.
how long the time? How long it takes to get the peak of the mountain? A day or just like several hours? Berapa lama tuh kira-kira?
When we hiking, we start naik
I think it's
jam
1 week,
ya?
sis. 1 week is 2 weeks.
No,
Enggak
no, no,
sampai one, no,
a
no,
day,
no, no.
a day.
Sorry? 8 day?
Iya,
satu hari,
itu
satu
day
hari.
kan karena ini nggak lama
Oh, iya.
kecuali Leuser. Leuser lama ya, panjang, 12 hari
Itu
ya.
gunung apa sih? Sorry.
Itu dia
Sindoro.
pergi
Sindoro.
malam.
Oh, Sindoro.
Iya, paginya
Paginya
nyampe ya.
sunrise.
No, jadi kita pergi pagi, terus di trek
Nyampe malam.
sampai di base camp bisa nyampe jam 2, terus kita nginap di base camp sampai
Pagi.
muncak baru subuh. Buat
Oh, oke.
ngejar sunrise.
Berarti di pos
kan?
terakhir ya. Di pos terakhir itu berhenti ngecamp, terus juga
Iya.
baru ngejar sunrise. Ah, I see.
Ngejar sunrise biasanya tergantung ketinggian gunungnya lah.
Oh,
Biasanya
mabar.
jam 1, jam 2.
Usually
gitu.
like just like 2 AM, jam 2 biasanya tuh turun.
Ya.
Naik.
Oh, mabet. Aku kira Rinjani tadi. Atau Puncak Jaya tadi, bukan ya?
Rinjani,
No,
it's also
it's
not about a week, but a day.
Yeah.
It's too long if
bisa
you
a
go a week. Leuser,
A
yes.
day?
Leuser
Rinjani a
can
day?
be more than a week. Rinjani can
Yeah.
be.
Kalau Rinjani tergantung orang sih, bisa 1 hari, bisa 2 hari sih.
All the mountain it
Kalau
depend
pro
on
ya,
the
kalau orangnya pro itu sebentar bisa tektok ya.
Kalau untuk
mungkin ya.
Kalau untuk Gunung
Oke.
Indonesia biasanya yang mencapai 1 minggu itu Gunung Leuser sama Puncak Jaya.
Iya,
Yeah,
Puncak Jaya.
Trikora,
First is
Leuser.
Hermit.
I
Enggak,
see.
I see his Puncak Jaya. Bukan rupanya.
Puncak Jaya not like that.
Puncak Jaya di Papua nggak sih?
Yes,
Papua
Papua.
pegunungan.
4,800
Itu
ya.
bukan menguras tenaga doang, tapi menguras isi dompet.
Uang. Agree with that because lots of people have to prepare about the safety and also the what is it like the foods or something. Kayak transportasi juga kalau jauh ya.
Karena
Exactly.
satu-satunya ke base campnya aja itu harus pakai helikopter.
Oh my God, that's Puncak Jaya.
Yes, Puncak
Iya,
Jaya.
tapi ke base campnya itu harus pakai helikopter soalnya ini juga masalah
Gak
keamanan
bisa ya,
yang
gak bisa yang
beredar di
cuman
Papua
hike.
lah.
Mm-mm. I see, I see. All right. Thank you for sharing, guys. By the way, I think kalau misalnya when we just have a holiday in many places like the tourism places, but the most, yeah, for me, yeah, based on me, the most good place that I have ever been to is mountain because in the mountain we just not only just see the beautiful view, breathtaking view, but also about the personality of our friends, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
right.
Good.
Yes,
Exactly. Because when we just like stay with our friends more than a day, so it means like we just like sharing together about anything that we have. It's not only for the food, but also the things that maybe we need in the camp or something. And also sometimes we just like feel there is someone that maybe like don't really like to share anything about themselves gitu kan. Apapun dia ada yang kayak kurang suka untuk sharing or even like they're really kind to give us something even it's only one gitu walaupun cuma kayak satu-satunya yang dia punya tapi kalau dia yang bener-bener yang baik banget itu pasti dibaginya ya gitu ya. I just like amazed with that kind of solidarity
Yes.
and
Yes.
also sympathy. Mm-mm.
Yes.
Yeah, that's kind of different. Even we just going to anywhere, kayaknya gunung itu adalah tempat-tempat yang kayak memang betul-betul kayak pembuktian kalau dia itu bener-bener baik atau enggak ya enggak sih?
Who is the person is?
No, all the people I think.
Yes.
Yeah, there is no specific people, but I think semuanya seperti itu sih ya. Itu kemungkinan ya, tapi kayak ada juga sih yang kayak kalau dia egois itu kan agak jadinya pasti kayak agak-agak gimana gitu. Kalau misalnya naik gunung. Because for example, when we are a team, there's like one of them wants to go to the peak. The what is it? The goal is only wants to get the peak, but maybe like yeah submit. But maybe like there's something that maybe happened suddenly in the middle of the journey and also we couldn't even get the pick, but one of them wants to get it. Kayak nggak bisa ya kalau misalnya satu tim seperti itu kayak satu naik semua naik, satu turun semua turun. Kalau nggak ini ya kecuali dia memang udah tahu jalan-jalannya ataupun sudah memang ini ya pro dengan tempatnya. That's so easy. Okay,
It can
let's
be
go.
happen.
Yes, benar. Apalagi banyak sekarang ya kasus ya yang bawa anaknya kemarin meninggal kan di gunung
Yes, I know.
gara-gara
Baby,
iya
the baby.
iya the baby the father wants to get the pig but the condition of the baby it's not really good so the mom wants to go down tapi ayahnya tetap ngotot mau ke puncak jadinya nggak tahu deh dalam perjalanan anaknya pass away meninggal dunia.
So
That's because
sad.
of the ego.
Ego?
Yes. Ego.
Oh, ego.
Ego.
Oh, ego. Okay.
It
I
is
say so.
parents.
Yes.
Parents ego.
The depth. Okay, so here we go ya. Kita lanjut. Nanti kita nggak kebanyak waktu. Tunggu sebentar. Mau berapa orang by the way?
Have a break group?
Yes, 5 ya. Paling banyak 5, okay?
Banyak kan, sis?
Sis, 4 sis.
4 aja.
5
4.
or 4.
Okay.
4.
Tapi kayak tunggu. Kayaknya nggak cukup. Ada yang dua kelompok yang 5, oke?
Udah sis 5 aja sis sudah. 5 aja
Ya,
5.
yang lainnya ada yang 4, oke?
Is
Ya,
before we start breakout room, I want to
ya.
ask why we can't share screen on breakout room.
Nggak bisa.
Yes.
Kemarin
No.
bisa,
Bisa,
tunggu.
Min.
Kemarin
We
udah,
cannot.
tunggu bentar. Tunggu sebentar
Yeah.
ya. Aku iniin dulu.
Oh iya, nggak bisa share ini ya, share screen ya?
We cannot share screen
Tunggu.
on breakout room.
Oke, kemarin udah aku ini. Oke, sudah. Sekarang udah ya. Oke?
Okay, sis, thank you.
Alright. Okay, so here it is. Okay, aku sudah open. Boleh masuk, guys. Let's go.
Sis, I have a problems. Sis, hello
Hello, bro. What's the problem?
again, sis. On my rooms,
Only
I'm
girl.
lonely. Yep. And then on the back rooms, only my sis. Maksudnya kayak cuma aku doang gitu yang kayak ngomong. Sisanya nggak ada yang ngomong. Cuma aku
Tunggu ya,
sama
diam.
sis Lisa. Yap.
Tunggu. Aku pindahin ya sebentar. Mau pindah kan?
Iya, again, sis. Sorry.
Oke, wait.
Repotin ini, sis.
Choose. Wait, ya, sebentar. Oke, sudah.
Alright. Can I join the breakout room? Right.
Apakah sudah ada, bro?
Room 7, alright. Masih sama, sis. Masih di room 7 aku. Halo?
Halo, sudah?
Aku masih on only his in room 7.
Oh, tunggu. Tadi aku udah ini. Tunggu ya sebentar. Oke, sudah.
Alright.
Oke. Wait a second.
Hello.
Hello, welcome back to the main room, guys. Okay, how is the class, by the way? How is the room, by the way? Is your
Nggak
friend
suka.
talking, chatting? Kamu nggak
Suka.
suka? Kenapa sis Devi?
Ke ini bukan aku lagi ngomong sama ini, Miss.
Oh,
Okay,
okay,
sorry.
okay.
Miss.
All right. So, what about others? How was the rooms?
I don't know,
Ada yang
sis,
fun?
because I am only boy in the breakout room.
It's okay.
Okay.
It's
Kayaknya
okay,
ada
bro
yang fun.
Tommy.
You're not
Nggak
alone,
What's
dude.
kelihatan
that
You're not.
matter?
You're
And
not
by the
alone,
way,
dude.
by the way, guys, there's I don't know
Yes.
something wrong with
Okay.
some of you guys. Yang satunya Bro Akbar nggak mau kalau cewek semua, yang Bro Arya nggak mau cowok semua.
Hehehe.
Nah, ini server saya semuanya
But still fun, sis. It's not
Yeah.
matter, I
Of
think.
Nanti satu
course,
room
of
satu
course.
cowok harusnya.
Kenapa kok dibilang
Asli aku
fun?
mau gitu. Aku maunya gitu. Jadi kayak ada yang cowok, ada yang perspektif ceweknya gitu kan. Nah, tapi Bro Akbar gak mau sama cewek semua, dia sendirian soalnya.
Miss, sudah beberapa hari ini
Ya,
rumahku bagus-bagus loh, Miss. I
aman
like
kan? Iya, ya.
Rumah
I
ya,
hope all
wow.
of you guys in a good
room
room,
aku.
okay? Iya, aku harap
Thank you,
juga
sis.
semuanya. Iya, but I hope all of you, all of the rooms, what is it like, speak well, semuanya pada ngomong, pada nanggapin, walaupun kadang-kadang ada yang kayak masih bingung apa sih ini sis gitu kan, tapi it's okay, kayak
Yeah.
coba aja gitu, jangan takut ya ngomongnya.
I hope so, sis.
Yeah, don't be
Ya,
afraid and
ya
build
kayak
your
karena
confidence.
yes, because guys, even it's like silent, keep silent. So why do you take the course gitu kan? Jadi untuk
Yeah.
apa? Untuk lihat-lihat doang gitu, jadi
Udah
mata-mata doang.
move on. Yang penting intinya satu. Kalau di sini kan semuanya belajar ya. Semuanya juga
Yes,
kan pada
exactly.
nyoba. Don't be afraid, please.
Freedom.
Iya, Akbar, nanti
Yes,
kalau
betul.
misalnya dapat temennya cewek semua, jangan kabur lagi.
Iya.
Sorry, Miss, but
Tuh,
Siapa tuh?
dinasehatin
Siapa tuh?
iya,
Siapa tuh?
kayaknya kemarin
Kabur.
sorry, Miss, but
Panggil aku
kemarin
bro,
aku
kalau
sempat
dapat cewek semua.
kemarin aku sempat
Disuruh pada.
lihat dia di room
Tunggu
aku.
dulu. Oh, I see. Terus kabur ya?
Iya, terus tiba-tiba dia keluar out gitu
Ih,
kan. Terus sampai oh ya udah
Ya,
otomatis
belajarlah
ngomong sama
menggatal
cewek.
ya.
malu.
Saya kabur-kaburan.
Gak seru
Bro
tau.
Tommy, can you change of me if I found this woman allowed this my rooms, right? You can change me, right?
Kalau sama
I thought you say this
kalau
one.
sama Tommy,
Nah,
kalau sama Tommy masih aman, sama Dedet juga kita sharing gitu kan.
Mm-mm.
Ya,
Masih Akbar
kayaknya
kabur
kayak
tiba-tiba.
anti banget ya. Kayak Akbar anti banget tuh sama cewek.
Iya, are you scared? Are you scared, Akbar?
Enggak.
Iya, I think so.
Enggak. Wah gila, udah dibully dah
Ya,
gua di sini
bisa
dah.
pura-pura.
Astaga, bener deh. Kayak
Okay, but
kalau misalnya
have fun
masuk ke
today.
berita room langsung komen-komen nih.
Jadi Bro
But
Akbar maunya sama cowok nih ya.
but I found this for today.
Oke.
Thank you,
But
everyone.
oke, udah thank you aja nih. Belum juga ngomong. Okay, by the way, thank you so much everyone for the class. It was so fun and I just really like for your progress because several days ago you just there is some of the group that maybe they still shy to speak. Beberapa dari mereka tuh masih malu-malu kucing. But now I think all of you already ya, maksudnya udah mulai untuk ngomong-ngomong. Okay, I really hope this a good progress, guys. So for the next untuk nanti mungkin lebih banyak lagi, tapi orangnya berkurang nih ya. But yeah, let's see it for the next day. Maybe they're still busy. Alright, by the way, jangan lupa foto. Ayo. Let's show. Open your camera. Please, everyone.
Yes.
Open your camera. Yes.
My camera has error. Sorry.
Oh
It's a
my
must to
God,
open
kayaknya dia
Camsys.
takut deh. Beneran.
Wait
Oh my
sih.
God. Ayo jangan nyamar-nyamar ya di sini ya. Tunggu, kita tungguin yang lain nih. Jangan pose dulu, ntar capek.
I wear the hijab, Miss.
Yes. Ya, soalnya udah waktu tidur nih ya. Ada yang di Bali udah tidur nih. Jam berapa nih? Jam 11-an ya?
Ya, jam 11.13.
Wow. Sulawesi juga.
Miss, don't forget to
Yeah.
to send the picture ya,
Foto.
Miss.
Oke, siap.
And
Cuma beberapa orang banget nih yang ikut.
Ya nih.
Iya, cuma
Yuk,
beberapa
guys.
orang banget nih. Ayo, open guys. The camera just like for taking 3 pictures. 3 aja fotonya. 3
Iya.
aja gitu,
Biar-
3 aja.
Biar
Pakai
3
aja,
poin
Miss.
gitu di Instagram.
Iya, bener. Jadi grid doang gitu. Oke, so Sis Jarila, ini atau Bro J, terus lagi ada Bro Zidan, Sis Tata, Sis Novika, Bro Arya, Bro Tommy. Ini kayak ketua-ketuanya nggak mau muncul nih kayaknya
Sorry,
ya.
sis. My place is not
Ketua-ketuanya.
compatible to open cam, sis.
Oke.
Where is the playing Mobile Legend, bro? Can I
Turn on
access your ID, bro?
It's near airport, bro. It's not compatible, you know.
Ya. Siapa tadi main Mobile Legend tadi? Boleh?
What is
Zain
that?
ketawa tuh. Zain gelap banget,
Mobile
Zain.
Legend.
Oke, yaudah ya, aku take the picture aja ya, walaupun nggak semuanya. Oke. 1, 2, 3, go. Cheese. Oke, lagi ayo. 1, 2, 3. Tunggu. 1, 2, 3.
Halo.
Oke. Tunggu, sekali lagi. Oke. Sekali lagi, guys. Sekali lagi. Tunggu ya. Bro Dedet mana nih kalau nggak mau? Aku udah di bawah. Oke. 1, 2, 3.
Mak dah nak tidur aku.
Oke, dah. Sekarang, right now. Thank you, guys. So, I'll send the photo on our group. Okay? Bye-bye. See you, guys. Have a nice weekend.
See you.
Semoga weekendnya
See you,
menyenangkan. See you on
guys.
Monday. Bye-bye.
Bye. See you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.